Hello, I'm Todd Zakreisig, ITLC Lilly Conference Director. Congratulations again on having your proposal accepted as a poster presentation at the upcoming conference. In this short video, it's our hope to alleviate some of the anxiety that may come with presenting a poster at a national conference. Following are a few tips that I'm hoping will help you to prepare and deliver an effective poster presentation. Now, before you arrive at the conference, ITLC Lilly will create an online poster gallery on the conference website. This will be comprised of a digital copy of your poster, your photo, and a 90-second audio clip of you summarizing your work. We do this for poster sessions because there is so much research packed into one session. Now, this online poster gallery allows the audience the opportunity to review your findings and your poster before the session, giving participants time to formulate questions to talk with you during the poster session. To present your work, you will be provided with a trifold poster board, which measures 36 inches tall and 48 inches wide. It works best if you print a poster to that dimension. Behind me is an example of such a poster. Now, you can use any format you would like for displaying your work, but we have a format that we would like to suggest to you. First, place your title and name at the top of the board. Put that in a font that's large enough to read easily from at least 10 feet away. In the middle section, in a very large font, again that can be read from at least 10 feet away, include an overview of your project, focus on the findings and recommendations, and a graph or a chart. This section allows the participants to quickly read your results as they walk by. Now, on the left panel, for the left panel, make a brief outline of the work that summarizes the what, the why of your study. And on the right panel, make a brief outline of the work that summarizes the who and the how and the conclusion. This will also serve as a really nice cue or a quick reference for you while you answer questions from participants. Now, before you print your poster, read the draft very carefully and then have someone else read it as well. Ideally, it will be possible to read the entire poster in less than 5 minutes. If you do have too much material, cut some out to keep it to 5 minutes or under and place the remaining material into a handout. And consider also whether or not you wish to present a paper presentation, which is traditional like this that comes in a tube, or on cloth. If you go online, you can find places that will print your poster in cloth for not much more money than the paper. This can go into your suitcase. This is one from a recent conference in which I presented, and when you get to the conference, you unfold it. If you would like, you can iron it, and if it's done 36 by 48 inches, hang it on the poster board. When you're done, it folds back up, goes back into your suitcase. It is very easy for traveling. Either format is perfectly fine. Now, setting up for the poster session. The one thing that's unique about the ITLC Lilly Conference is that we offer a poster concierge service. If you bring your poster to the conference registration desk by 1 p.m. the day of the poster session, the ITLC Lilly staff will display your poster for you. You simply show up at the poster session and your poster will already be up. However, you may certainly set up your poster 30 minutes prior to the poster session if you prefer. Now, at the poster session, while at the poster session, with the online poster gallery, the individuals may very well have read your research and your work before they even approach you. In addition, with the large findings statement clearly in the middle panel, it'll be very easy for the participants to read the overall findings of your study before they actually get right up to talk to you. So essentially, your colleagues have done the work prior to the conversation with you. It's kind of like a flipped poster session. Now, when an individual approaches your poster, if they appear to desire to read, just let them read. Stand off to the side, and again, you've set this up so it'll take less than 5 minutes for them to read everything on the poster. Just give them time to read, and try not to stare at them while they're reading. That kind of creeps a person out. Now, when the person's done reading, they may very well have a question or two for you. Be as complete yet brief as you can with your responses. Keep in mind that a lot of people will want to see multiple posters, maybe even a half a dozen or more during the very short poster session. So be respectful of their time. Also, someone may simply walk up to you and say, "So what is your poster about?" We suggest that you ask the individual if she or he has listened to the 90-second audio clip in the online poster gallery. If they have, then elaborate on your findings, your implications, and reflections of your study. If they have not, then you can summarize your work as was done for the 90-second audio clip. And when you have finished speaking with the individual, offer them a handout of your poster, if you have one prepared. It's also customary to share your business card with those who stop by for your display. At the conclusion of the poster session, the conference team will announce the poster session has come to an end. At that time, just remove your poster from the trifold board and leave the clips and the trifold board on the table. If you brought a poster tube and had the concierge service do it for you, put the poster up for you, the tube will be under your table below your poster. About a week after the conference, you'll receive a conference evaluation. Please take the 2 to 3 minutes to fill out this form. The information is extremely helpful to plan the next conference. Again, congratulations on having your poster session proposal accepted. I look forward to seeing your work at the Lilly Conference.